Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let us see the diminishing Musharaka calculation for Excel. The same calculation is there. You can see total asset of the value is 35 crore. Share of the bank 90%, that is 31 crore 50 lakh. Share of the client 10%, that is 3 lakh 3 crore 50 lakh. Period has been agreed between the two parties within 3 years. Within 3 years, customer will purchase the share of the bank. 36 months has been agreed. Number of unit is 36. Value of 1 unit. How to calculate the value of 1 unit? So let us see the formula. So here share of the bank, that is 31 crore 50 lakh, will be divided by 36 units. You will get value per unit 87 lakh 50,000. See the formula. Click it. So you can see share of the bank 31 crore 50 lakh and divide by 36. I3 divided by I6. We got 87 lakh 50,000. This is the value per unit. Likewise, rent per annum. Rent per annum has been decided, has been agreed 50% of the bank share. 50% of the bank share. Bank share is 31 crore 50 lakh. So in the same way it has been calculated. You can see 31 lakh. 15% of 31 crore 50 lakh. So I3 into J8. We got rent per annum 47 lakh 25,000. After calculating the rent per annum, now we have to calculate rent per month. Rent per month. So in a year we have 12 months. So we will divide the same this 47 lakh 25,000 divided by 12. We will get this 39 lakh 37,500. You can see the formula. Click it. After clicking it, we can see 47 lakh 25,000 has been divided by 12. I8 divided by J9. So rent per month we got. Then rent per month per unit. Per unit, how much rent the customer has to pay. Again, whatever we have calculated rent per month, it will be divided by 36 unit. So we will get rent per month per unit. You can click this sheet. So rent per month has been calculated, has been divided by 36. I9 divided by J10. We got rent per unit per month. This is our 1 lakh 9,375 is the rent per unit per month. Now let us see the whole calculation. It is very easy. Once you know the formula, just put the formula in the Excel sheet. Everything will be automatically calculated. So 0 month, nothing has to pay rent or nothing has to purchase. So remaining unit 36 units are there, and this is the bank share 31 crore 50 lakh. At the end of the month, 1 month has been passed. So customer has to pay the rent. Customer has to pay the rent, and then customer has to purchase 1 unit also. Total payment will be there, and then balance will be there. So you see how the rent has been calculated if you click it. So 1,09,000 rent per month has been multiplied by 36 into E2. So we got rent 39,37,500. After paying the rent, customer has to purchase 1 unit, and the value per unit is already we have calculated 87 lakh 50,000. It will be fixed because he has to purchase every month 1 unit. It will be fixed till the end. All the payment will be made. That is 31 crore 50 lakh bank share. is also called as redemption of the bank share. Okay, so 87,50,000 after paying this. Then total payment, how much the customer has paid? If you click this, rent plus value of unit purchase, B3 plus C3. So he has got total payment this much, 1 crore 26,87,500. So one unit will be reduced from 36, now it is 35, because one unit has been purchased by the customer. The remaining balance, so you can see this is the main balance, 31 crore 50 lakh, which the customer has to purchase, and customer has paid the value per unit. For one unit, customer has already purchased, already has paid. It will be deducted. 87,50,000 will be deducted from 31 crore 50 lakh. F2 minus C3. We got 30 crore 62 lakh 50,000. In this way, the whole process will continue for each and every month. Second month, rent will be calculated accordingly. You can see, so whatever rent is there, that is 1,09,375 multiplied by 35. After this, yeah, one unit will be purchased by the customer. Both will be calculated total as a total payment, 1 lakh, 1 crore 25 lakh 78,125. Then remaining balance will be there. Here you can see this much amount what the customer has paid by purchasing the one unit will be deducted from the previous balance. So in this way, it will continue for third month, for 4 month, 5th month, 6th month, 7th month, 8th month, and then we will reach 36 months. The C 35 month. So 35 month this, and this much balance is there. It is only one unit is left. So he has to after purchasing one unit, there will be no balance. 0 unit will be there, and the whole asset will be transferred to the customer. So here again, customer, this is the rent per unit, 1,09,375, and the 30. He is going to purchase this unit, 31 unit. So after this, he will purchase that unit. That is, and he has to pay 87,50,000. Then this much amount will be there. After that, no unit is left. Then he has to pay nothing. So this much total amount he has paid as a rent, 7 crore 28 lakh 43,750, and this was the bank share which he has purchased. So what is the profit for the bank here? Profit, this is the profit of the bank, which bank has received in the form of rent from the customer, because he has leased out its share of the house to the customer. Customer has used it for 36 months and paid the rent. This is the